Chief Mehbooba Mufti staging a protest. This is her constituency that's heading for vote today. That's Rajouri, Anantnag, after the delimitation. But she's not happy. What happened? Remember, this phase for her constituency had been postponed. It was earlier scheduled in the previous phases. But what has led to Mehbooba Mufti turning emotional? She's sitting on a dharna. It alleges that she's saying that PDP workers are being detained. She's the key candidate in this phase of election against Mia Altaf of the National Conference. Let's listen in and try to understand what's happening on the ground.
पीडीपी के वर्कर्स को बंद किया जा रहा है, थानों में उनको बंद किया जा रहा है बिना किसी वजह के। 87 की रिगिंग, एजी साहब खुद इसमें इन्वॉल्व है, यहाँ के डीजी इन्वॉल्व है, यहाँ का डीआईजी अल्ताफ खान इन्वॉल्व है, सब लोग ऊपर से लेके नीचे तक इन्वॉल्व है। 87 की तरह यहाँ रिगिंग करना चाहते हैं और कल रात से इन्होंने पीडीपी के तमाम एजेंट्स को बंद करके रखा है थानों में।
That's visibly upset Mehbooba Mufti. Let me tell you about why this is such a high-stake election for Kashmir. The first time after Article 370 abrogation, Mehbooba Mufti, the former chief minister, comes from the Mufti family, comes from one of the biggest political families of Jammu and Kashmir, up against Mia Altaf Ahmed of National Conference. He's been a senior leader. And there is also from the JK&PP, Arshid Ahmed Loon. It's going to be interesting. BJP is not contesting this time, despite saying that there has been a Naya Kashmir. But PDP chief is now alleging that this has been a detention of the PDP workers. They're trying to intimidate us, stop us. That's her allegation this time. But it also shows, because she's now part of a massive constituency, Rajouri Anantnag, that combines Jammu and Kashmir as a region. And this is what PDP chief has said. Again, we'll try to listen in to what Mehbooba Mufti has said. Ashraf Wani is also joining us. Ashraf, what happened? Because I noticed in the previous phase as well that the PDP specifically was alleging that their workers are being stopped.
Absolutely. First of all, Pooja, I would like you show the scenario here in the Bijbehara where Mehbooba Mufti is sitting on the road. This is the middle of the road where currently Mehbooba Mufti is being pursued by the police officials and other staff to sit from the road so that the traffic could be resumed on this alternate highway between Srinagar and Jammu. She is currently at Bijbehara. She came early in the morning for casting of her vote, but she is not ready to come out from the road or stand from this road where she is sitting for last 30 minutes. Traffic from the both sides had been suspended due to the former Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti's protest here in the Bijbehara, where she is supposed to cast her vote after some time when her mind comes. So far, the DIG of the Jammu and Kashmir Police came here as you just run the bite of Mehbooba Mufti. She is alleging that most of her workers from different parts of the South Kashmir had been arrested or detained before elections, and there is the allegation from her that the administration, particularly Bharatiya Janata Party, did not want Mehbooba Mufti should reach the parliament to raise the voices of the people of Kashmir. But that is not the scenario. We have seen early in the morning in the different parts of the South Kashmir, particularly in the Kulgam and Shopian district, people in large numbers came out and are casting vote. But so far, the Mehbooba Mufti is alleging that she has directly alleged the DIG of the South Kashmir that he is trying to sabotage the polling here in the South Kashmir and to prevent the PDP workers and the voters to cast their vote. But so far,
Ashraf, stay on with me. Stay on with me, because I want the viewer to listen in again to what Mehbooba Mufti just said. Let's listen why PDP chief is so angry.
पीडीपी के वर्कर्स को बंद किया जा रहा है, थानों में उनको बंद किया जा रहा है बिना किसी वजह के। 87 की रिगिंग, एजी साहब खुद इसमें इन्वॉल्व है, यहाँ के डीजी इन्वॉल्व है, यहाँ का डीआईजी अल्ताफ खान इन्वॉल्व है, सब लोग ऊपर से लेके नीचे तक इन्वॉल्व है। 87 की तरह यहाँ रिगिंग करना चाहते हैं और कल रात से इन्होंने पीडीपी के तमाम एजेंट्स को बंद करके रखा है थानों में।
Ashraf, what has been the turnout like? Because previously, specifically when it came to Baramulla seat, there was a good turnout and that has been a welcome change. What is the turnout looking like while the PDP is also alleging that there is deliberate intimidation that she's claiming?
Pooja, actually we have seen the high turnout in the Srinagar, which was known
Yes.
for the polling boycotts in the earlier elections, and also then another record in the Baramulla parliamentary constituency. But South Kashmir is very interesting constituency in these elections. Not only after the delimitation in 2022, Poonch and Rajouri district on other side of the Pir Panchal had been included in this parliamentary constituency, which has changed the voter scenario in this constituency. And also Mehbooba Mufti is not first time contesting from this parliamentary seat. She has already represented this parliamentary constituency in 2004. But one thing is interesting, that the candidates in this election, particularly the National Conference candidate Mia Altaf Ahmed is very strong considered candidate. Also the Apni Party candidate, who is a Pahadi Manhas, he has been also supported by BJP openly in this constituency. So very tough battle, and it is a triangular contest. Mehbooba Mufti not only campaigned for the aggressively, but her daughter Iltija Mufti also helped her to bring the women voters out in the campaign trail during last 15 days. Mehbooba Mufti was already angry when the elections were postponed in this parliamentary constituency to 25th of May. She said this is a deliberate attempt by BJP so that the
Ashraf, keep updating us about what's it looking like, and because it looks like a huge political showdown is expected in Jammu and Kashmir. I want to quickly tell you about how Jammu and Kashmir has been previously. There's been a fluctuation of responses. It's been a volatile conflict region, and after 2019 there is hope of a Naya Kashmir. There is expectedly, like Ashraf was also telling us, Srinagar, Baramulla reported a high turnout. How is Anantnag, Rajouri going to be when it comes to 2024? This is how it looked like for the India bloc, for the NDA and other parties as well that had been a part. There have been constant changing alliance when it comes to Jammu and Kashmir, but a very crucial election this time. What kind of messaging will go out? You're looking at the visuals coming in from Shopian, Jammu and Kashmir, Kulgam, Anantnag, South Kashmir, an important belt. It is now also, as a parliamentary constituency, part of Rajouri in Jammu. Let's hope that people will turn out in high numbers to decide their fate and future.